Hey y'all, so I just got a release for Atrium version 0.282.0, and there are a lot of cool features in here. I thought I might record a video for you guys and showcase them. So first feature is sidebar versatility. So Atrium's got sidebars. We got a project bar, a room bar, activity sidebar, and all the other options that you can swap in there, file tree, timeline, skills, and agents. But up until today, project bar is on your left, room bar is on your left, activity sidebar is on your right. That's just how it is. But that is no longer. If you want your project bar on the right and your activity on the left, you can now do that from the view options, change view, swap them, boom. If you don't like your quick actions on the left, you can change that too. Boom, quick actions on the right now, all of them. If you don't like your room bar on the left, you can change that too. If you don't want them visible, you got that option too. Boom. And if it's hidden, what you get now is peek. So you still got access, quick access, but it's out of your way. Super, super convenient. I can do the same with the left. Hide them both. If I just want a nice big launcher and chat all by itself, open up peek, want it back, boom, easy as that. Want the other one back? Oops, clicked the wrong thing. Want the other one back? Boom, easy as that. And there we go. So a lot of customization here. Obviously, as you can see, we still have Zen mode to Command Shift tilde, but Zen mode also brings with it peek. So it's not just the permanently hidden sidebars. You get it with Zen mode as well. So you can toggle back and forth very easily if you want to. So that's sidebar visibility, versatility, I should say. The other thing is shortcut updates. So a lot of people use Command K to open up omni-search or super search, whatever you want to call it. I have historically always liked Command Shift T, so that's what I made the shortcut. But in honor of the Command K, which is a lot of people's muscle memory, we now got that as well. This doesn't seem like a big change, but what it actually is under the hood is Atrium now supports the ability to have multiple keyboard shortcuts for an action. So if you have multiple keystrokes that you like to hit for something, or you want to bind multiple things, just in case you fat finger, or you just like hitting two different keys. Maybe you have a shortcut that you use with your left hand, maybe you have a shortcut you use with your right hand. You can now do that in Atrium. The other really cool feature is saved prompts. So I totally stole this from T3 Code. The stash idea is brilliant. Atrium's behaves a little bit differently. Ours are more like permanent prompts rather than one shot like T3 Code. But the way this works is once you start typing, you get a Command S to save prompt, and if you hit Command S, it saves it. Then you hit your plus button, and it shows up here under saved prompts. So from here, you click it, and it will insert it. So I already had it in there. Boom, inserts it. If I have a chat open already, I have the ability. Oh, and if the composer is empty, I just hit Command S, and it opens it directly. Then I can hit 1. Testing 1, 2, 3. Save another one. Save another one. My favorite. Nice. Commit this and close this pane, please. Boom. There. Now I've got some useful prompts in here. Open it up. Boom. 4 inserts it. If I want to send directly, I hold Command, continue holding Command, and press 2, and it'll send it right away. And of course, you can access it directly from the plus menu here as well. So quick access to saved prompts. This is super useful, awesome, brilliant idea. So next up, what do we got? Quick filters and tasks. So this is one I really like. So you go to tasks, and now what you can do is save a preset of filters. And let's say I want to see only. I have no critical. Let's say I only want to see high priority items. So from here, I could update Atrium, or I can save it as a new one. High Atrium, and then boom, I got filters for whatever I want. I can set any of them here. Labels, priorities, schedules. I can even filter by Workspace project. So anything you need to be able to filter your tasks, jump quickly to whatever you need to see. Next up, we've got QA capture updates. So this is a small one, mostly fixes a couple of bugs, but in QA capture, we now have the ability to select a different monitor. I'm only hooked up to one right now, so it won't work. But if you got multiple displays hooked up to your computer, you can now pick which one you want to use. And the window selection is a little better now. It used to be in like a tiny little drop down, and it was a little broken. So it's now in a searchable dialog. You can jump through here and select anything, any window that you want to record for QA capture. And what else we got? Launch profile shortcuts. So this one's kind of cool. So if you use launch profiles a lot like me, I got like Claude, Fable, Ultra Code, Sonnet, etc. I have Codex Sol, High, Medium, Ultra, X High, etc. Sometimes I don't like clicking in here. It's one, hover, click. It could be faster. Say I want my Sol. Just type @Sol, comes up, boom. Or say I want Grok, boom. Or I want Sonnet. I don't want Sonnet. Let's say I want Fable. So boom, Fable. So mention it in the composer launcher. This is primarily for the launcher because you can't change your launch profile once you're actually in a chat anyways. So when you're in the launcher, you hit @ and start typing a profile, and these are ranked higher. They're weighted higher in the ranking than most other things, so they come up very quickly for you. Very cool, very, very convenient. I'm loving it. And then the last thing is usage limit links. So we already render usage limits Might be able to see it here, but there's two little bars inside that show your 5-hour and weekly limit, and we show it there. You can click it to open, and it'll show you for all your accounts and everything. But I wanted to add the ability to view those usage limits on their website. So click it, boom, there we go. Let's see, I can do it for Codex as well. View usage limits, boom, opens it right up. Thank you for reset, Debo. And let's see, that's it. That's 0.282.0. A lot of cool stuff in here, and some really, really cool stuff on the way that I'm super excited about. I'm about to ship computer use tonight, which is really good. It's very fast. We're talking like 250 milliseconds per action, or less, which is pretty solid. Uses CUA driver, and it's just about done. I just need to merge it into main and cut the release. And next up, we got SSH support, which is almost done, ready to ship. And once SSH support is in, I've got big things coming. We've got the Windows version on the way. It's like halfway done. Once SSH support is in, I merge everything into the Windows branch and get that across the finish line. And then once Windows is done, mobile app is on the horizon. I've started speccing it out already. The SSH support did a lot of the foundational work for the mobile app. So it's going to be mostly front-end client-side app building, and mobile app will be ready. Lots of other cool stuff on the way. I've got a handful of really cool features that I won't get into too much detail about right now, keeping them kind of secret, close to my chest, but I will share them pretty soon. So keep an eye out. And if you haven't tried it out yet, check out Atrium, getatrium.dev. Let me know if you got questions. Love to hear your feedback. Love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks, y'all. See ya.